might just put a line on a paper and that just suddenly triggers something in your head and drives you to a great idea.
When I draw and sketch, it just lets me be more free, and I think that's where I get better ideas from.
Coming up with concepts, I think it's hard to do in computer. Ignore the computer for as long as I can and just doodle and sketch and see if I can just let my imagination run free.
The happiest accidents have come from just experimenting. And the biggest shifts in my own style and career have happened because I have broken some of my own rules.
We can talk about a line from a pencil, we can also talk about a line of thought. The sketch is the proof of the idea.
Like, the great thing about sketching is that it marks a moment of beginning. We all remember when things started, like when a relationship with somebody started, or when a great moment in the project where the idea really came through.
Rotring is about thinking and sketching with the purpose of communicating visual ideas. Our cause is to provide the creative community with the tools to bring their art into industry. Creatives have always used sketching to help them develop powerful thoughts. Thinking and sketching, after all, is the beginning of the future. So think on. Create.
Since the Bauhaus era, Rotring has been the tool of choice for the creative professional. Timeless industrial design and German engineering delivers premium performance tools that enable thinking and creativity with weight and precision. An icon in the creative tools category. In 1928, Wilhelm Riepe developed the world's first nibbleless fountain pen. This innovation marked the beginning of Rotring, with our brand name and trademark originating from a simple design feature, a small red ring on the barrel of each pen. This extremely successful design went on to create an entire category of pens and initiated the technical pen category. In the 1970s, Rotring was the leader with creative execution tools. By the 1980s, no engineer or architect would be without his Rotring mechanical pencil. Designer James Dyson often laments that his most valuable possession is his Rotring 9mm mechanical pencil. The role of the creative professional and the tools they use has changed dramatically since Rotring first produced products in the 1920s. Today, creative professionals have become hybrids, fusing creative methods of the past with technological advancements. Therefore, we have innovated for the needs of our users. As designer Alberto states, I use my pencil to create ideas and my computer to execute them. Creative insight doesn't always occur in the convenience of the design studio. A Rotring needs to be wherever the creative is. To be a creative is not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Beyond sketching, a Rotring transcribes the user's thoughts, creating a personal dialogue between them and the page. A Rotring is a purposefully designed creative tool that is engineered with precision for optimum performance. Bold, unpretentious, and utterly dependable, our creative tools have no serious rival.
Introducing Zebra Sensations, the art of creating something wonderful.
Whether unwinding after a long day or completing fine shading of your latest work of art, Sensations Colored Pencils by Zebra deliver 24 smooth, rich, and vibrant colors. Made of quality lead in a refillable barrel, our mechanical colored pencils are resilient with no sharpener needed. The colors blend easily for any project, and you always have a fresh point ready to take control of your creative expression.
Find Zen in your pen, Zebra Pen. To start right, one must begin here. Introducing Caduceus Starters, the new shape of writing. Great for beginning writers and artists, Caduceus Starters have have a unique triangle shape for an easy grip. Use stronger lead to reduce breakage. Come in standard number 2 and 12 fun colors. Caduceus Starters, the new teacher's pet. Find Zen in your pen, zebra pen.